How much should you actually spend on a compound bow? Some folks are happy with the budget options, while others think they need to shell out serious cash. The truth? Price doesn't always equal quality. Product number 1. Sanlada Archery Dragon X8 RTH. First up is the Sanlada Archery Dragon X8 RTH. This bow caught my eye because of its impressive package deal at just $219.99. If you want a well-rounded setup for hunting or target practice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With a draw length adjustable from 18 to 31 inches and a draw weight of 0 to 70 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of archers. The IBO speed of 310 frames per second means you're getting decent power without breaking the bank. Plus, it comes with a 5-pin sight, stabilizer, and even 12 carbon arrows, making it a great starter kit. And don't worry about needing a bow press. You can easily adjust it on your own. Now, some people complain about the weight, which is around 3.8 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit heavier for long treks, it adds to the stability during shooting. If you're mostly shooting in your backyard or at a range, you probably won't mind the extra weight. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile option that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you're after something ultralight for long-distance hikes. At this price, you're definitely getting value for your money. Now, if the weight issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sanlada Archery Dragon X8 RTH Black Pro. Next is another Sanlada Archery Dragon X8 RTH. But this one comes in a sleek black pro finish for just $209.99. If you want a solid bow that looks great, this is worth checking out. This model features the same adjustable draw length and weight as the camo version, giving you that crucial flexibility. You still get the IBO speed of 310 frames per second, which means you can really send those arrows flying. The included accessories, like the wrist sling and quiver, add even more value to this setup. Seriously, it's like getting a pro package without the pro price tag. However, I did find some users mentioned issues with the sight being slightly off. Here's the truth. While that can be a hassle, it's a common setup issue that can be easily corrected with a simple adjustment. Most bows require some fine-tuning anyway, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to make a stylish statement. Skip it if you want a ready-to-go, out-of-the-box experience without adjustments. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners. Product number 3, Pandarus Youth Compound Bow. Now we're moving to the Pandarus Compound Bow for youth and beginners, priced at just $89.88. This caught my attention because it's super affordable and aimed at younger archers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this is worth a look. This bow comes with a draw length of 19 to 28 inches and can handle weights from 15 to 29 pounds. The 260 frames per second speed is decent for entry-level bows, making it suitable for target practice and casual shooting. Plus, it weighs only 2.5 pounds, which is perfect for kids or those just starting in archery. It even comes with a complete set including arrows, arm guard, and a target. However, some reviews pointed out that it's not the most durable option and can feel flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's designed for beginners and younger archers, so the lighter materials are intentional for safety and ease of use. Just be gentle with it, and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a starter bow for kids or just want to try archery without a huge investment. Skip this if you're looking for something rugged and long-lasting. Honestly, for under $90, it's a steal. Now, if that one seemed too basic for you, our next product offers a bit more versatility. Product number 4, Bear Archery Royale Compound Bow. Next up is the Bear Archery Royale, coming in at $329.99. It's a bit pricier, but hear me out. If you want something that can grow with you, this is worth considering. This bow is super adjustable, with a draw length from 12 to 27 inches and a weight range of 5 to 50 pounds. The 290 frames per second speed is great for both hunting and target shooting. Plus, it includes quality accessories from Trophy Ridge, so you're getting a solid package. Weighing in at just 2.7 pounds, It's lightweight and easy to handle. Now the downside? Some users noted that the setup process can be a bit complicated for beginners. I get it, that can be frustrating. But the adjustment capabilities are actually a big plus if you plan to stick with archery long-term. This is perfect for you if you're serious about developing your archery skills. Skip this if you want something straightforward with no learning curve. It's a worthwhile investment for those who are committed. And lastly, if you want something that maintains quality without the extra frills, the final product might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, Pandarus Youth Compound Bow, left-handed. Finally, we have another Pandarus compound bow, but this one is for left-handed users at $99.87. It's a solid pick if you're looking for an entry-level option that's also lefty-friendly. It shares a lot with the right-handed version, offering a draw length of 19 to 28 inches and a draw weight of 15 to 29 pounds. The IBO speed is the same at 260 frames per second, and it weighs just 2.5 pounds. So it's perfect for young archers getting started. Just like the right-handed model, it comes with all the necessary accessories, making it easy to start shooting right away. Some folks mention that the build quality isn't top-notch. But honestly, for beginners, the lightweight design is an advantage. It allows for ease of handling, which is essential when learning. This is perfect for you if you're a lefty looking to start your archery journey without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need something super durable right out of the box. At this price, it's a smart choice for new archers. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the Samlita Archery Dragon X8 RTH for versatility, another great option from Samlita in black, the affordable Pandarus Youth Bow, the adjustable Bear Archery Royale, and finally, the left-handed Pandarus Bow. Each offers unique benefits at different price points, so you can find the right fit for your needs. Happy shooting!